AI don't take over everything. Plenty people talk say AI don't carry their job and no need to even learn programming again because AI my go dey do everything. So now as person we want learn programming or we just start to dey learn programming, one thing wey dey your mind na say may I still continue to dey learn this programming or may I just give up now? May I start to dey sell popcorn for road? Well, my answer to you dey very simple. No need to start to dey sell popcorn for road. The right thing na to learn programming, even with AI and even with the things where they go on in the world. In fact, the best time to learn programming na now. Now, na the most important time to learn, and I could tell you why. You see, the demand for programmers and people with sabi code no go ever stop for this life. You know if you stop and you know if you slow down. Every business, every shop, every company where you see around will need people with sabi code to help them with their websites, with their mobile application, payment system, customer management, digital marketing, even healthcare, e-commerce and entertainment. Everybody need programming for this day and age. And this demand no go ever stop because technology will continue to dey improve, and as new technology they come up, people will get the expertise in programming in all these old technology, like them go fit work on the new technology. So if you learn now, even if you learn basic JavaScript or Python, what knowledge will you gain? Now you go dey use to dey acquire more skills so that as technology they go, they no go leave you behind. Another reason why I dey always tell people to learn programming now, must say now na the easiest time to learn and actually write code. Yes, AI fit write code, but that one no be bad thing for you. Na good thing for you as a programmer because it make your life easier. Na through these AI tools, including Copilot, ChatGPT, na im most people dey write their code now. But because they understand wetin they write, you know the then it dey actually help them to write better code and to produce better results. You guys think of them like partnership instead of competition. AI fit help you boost your skills if you use them the right way. Most people wey dey fear AI na because they never realize say AI na assistant, no be replacement. AI fit write code, but so many times it dey always dey wrong, and you need person wey understand wetin e dey write to be able to tell whether it dey wrong or it dey right. Now why no matter how companies start to dey use AI, they go still need programmers to be able to identify the errors in wetin the AI dey write, to be able to understand wetin e dey write, and to be able to implement the code the right way. Because no matter how good the code with the AI dey write, e still must fit do some implementation wey be say na only humans fit do. Coding no be just to dey write syntax and to dey put comma and curly brackets. No. Coding na about solving problems, applying your creativity, and building projects where you fit use for the real world. You know if you just bring any random person from the street and tell them say, "Ola, use ChatGPT write this code." They no go know wetin to do, and they no go know how to implement the code wey come out. So now why even though AI don't dey everywhere, programmers go still there, and programmers no dey go anywhere. Another reason to learn programming now, na because the opportunities too plenty. Opportunities japa for ground. If you dey learn web development now, and dey fear say, oh, web development could dey replaced by AI. Well, from web development, you fit quick enter mobile app development. You fit enter data analysis. You fit enter machine learning. You fit enter cyber security. You fit enter game development. No knowledge wey you pick up for programming be lost. And now, if you don't sabi web development, or you don't sabi JavaScript or Python, it go dey easier for you to learn more and to move on to other hot profession for inside programming than person will be say he suppose learn before, but he say no, I know they learn because of AI. Those kind of people go fall behind, but you will continue to the advance, and very soon you go dey work remotely from your own house, and you go start to dey earn dollars and euros. Learning programming don't dey easy now. Before, remember, like 20 years ago, if you try to learn programming, nowhere where you go see free tutorials or boot camps or all these affordable courses around, we go guide you. We go even show you everything you need to do from your own house. That time, You need computer science degree. You go spend like 10 years for school. You go need to build portfolio wey be say nobody don ever see before. But now e dey too easy. Even for my page, you fit learn programming in pidgin. I dey teach HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, React, even machine learning, and you go learn everything easily from the comfort of your house at your own speed. So why you no go learn when e dey so easy to learn? If you wan learn and you say, oh, I no dey learn because of AI or because of technology wey dey comot, you be momo. And some people dey always talk say AI go replace programmers. No way wey be say AI go replace senior developers. And na junior developers dey always become senior developers. So if company no dey hire junior developers because they get AI, all their senior developers go retire and nobody go fit replace them. Na why no matter how AI and technology take grow, developers and programmers go still dey necessary anywhere. And you fit dey ask, okay, AI no go stop us, but this oversaturation wey I dey see everywhere, programmers too plenty, how I go take compete with them? I wan tell you say oversaturation dey happen everywhere, but e only affect people wey no get focus. Na why I dey always talk say no just focus on cramming code. You gats learn basic principles. You gats understand wetin you dey learn so that you go fit specialize and choose your own niche, and you go fit impress your employers. Employers dey value understanding wey be just theories. If you fit apply your basic principles, build real world projects wey dey actually help you stand out, no way wey be say you no go succeed. And to do this one, the first thing wey you go need to do na to learn. Just learn am, dedicate a few weeks, a few months. As you dey progress, you sef go dey happy with yourself. You go dey pick up more skills along the way. So yes, programmers no dey go anywhere. If you wan learn programming, na now be the best time to learn. So no forget to like, follow, and subscribe to this page for programming tutorials and more videos to show you wetin programming dey all about. Thank you for your attention to this matter.